Ever wondered if your tap water was safe to drink? It is. KUAM reporters filled out 6 bacteria home tap water tests and brought it to the Water and Environmental Research Institute of the Western Pacific. According to WERI Director and Professor of Environmental Toxicology, Dr. Gary Denton, the Guam Water Works Authority is doing its job of ensuring our water is safe from coliforms, or bacteria that are abundant in the environment that may cause disease.
As a precaution, the Environmental Protection Agency required GWA to disinfect its water. In fact, it's actually mandated by law. They have to do it. The water has to be clean. It has to be free from disease-causing organisms. And so they add chlorine to the water. When GWA chlorinates its water samples, the test that you see here is to determine whether the efficiency of the chlorine is achieved. If there's no chlorine, or the chlorine is not at the intended level, coliforms that are in the water sample naturally will still be there. And so this test is really to test for the efficiency of the chlorination process, because it's coming straight out of the tap.
Dr. Denton says of KUAM's 6 samples, only the one from GIGO showed signs of coliforms, but none of the fecal coliform E. coli. Dr. Denton says the sample must be retested, but doubts there is need to be alarmed.
There could be bacteria in the water, but you could have also contaminated the sample during collection. So we would need to go back and take a duplicate sample and test it again. If it's still contaminated, then red flags are raised. We have to look at it a little more closely.
Dr. Denton says it is also possible the home that the contaminated sample came from may be at the end of a distribution line, or that the home is close to a farm or a wastewater treatment plant.
99 times out of 100, it's safe to drink water out of the tap. There are occasions when, of course, it's not. And those occasions are after typhoons, for example. A typhoon goes through, the power goes down, and the chlorinators stop working, or the pumps stop working.
If residents are experiencing allergic reactions and believe it may be from their tap water, Dr. Denton says to consider other possibilities, including the change in weather or a change in laundry detergent. For those at home, the only time you need to be careful about drinking from the tap is when the power is off for long amounts of time. He then recommends that residents take caution and boil their water. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Crystal PACO.